Hi, everyone, and welcome back to the Super English Fluency. I'm Laura.
And I'm Jamie.
And oh my gosh, do we have a good one for you today.
We really do.
So if you're new here, hit that subscribe button because we drop episodes like this all the time. And trust me, you don't want to miss them.
Seriously, don't miss out.
Okay, Jamie. So I have to tell you something that happened to me yesterday.
Uh-oh. What happened?
So I was on a call with a client, right? And I said something like, oh, I'm still working on the report, but I haven't finished it yet.
Okay.
And the client, who's German, super nice guy, he stops me and goes, Laura, you just used still and yet in the same sentence. Are those the same?
Oh, no.
And I'm sitting there like, no, yes, maybe?
Did you freeze up?
Completely. My brain just went blank.
See, this is why we need today's episode.
Exactly, because honestly, we use these words all the time, but do we actually know the difference?
I mean, I think I do, but let's be real.
You probably just throw them in and hope for the best.
Okay, you got me guilty as charged.
All right, so let's break this down. Still versus yet. They sound like they should be the same, right?
Totally. They're both about time or waiting for something.
Yes, but here's the thing. They're actually looking at the situation from totally different angles.
Ooh, okay, I'm listening.
So still is all about something that's continuing. It hasn't stopped yet. Wait, see what I did there?
Nice.
But seriously, still means the action or feeling is ongoing. It's like it was happening before and it's still happening now.
Okay, so it's about something that keeps going.
Exactly. And yet, this is where it gets different. Yet means something hasn't happened, but you're expecting it to.
Oh, so it's like waiting for something to start or finish.
Yes, perfect. So think about it this way.
Wait, give me an example first.
Okay, so I could say I'm still hungry.
Which means...
The hunger is continuing, like I was hungry an hour ago, I'm hungry now, it hasn't gone away.
Got it. The feeling is ongoing.
Right, but if I say I haven't eaten yet...
That means eating hasn't happened, but it will.
Exactly. There's this expectation that it's going to happen eventually.
Oh, okay. So still is about what is happening, and yet is about what isn't happening.
Yes. Oh my gosh, that's such a good way to put it.
I have my moments.
You really do.
Okay, so here's something I've noticed.
What?
Still always seems to go in the middle of the sentence, like I still live in New York or she still works there.
Okay, look at you paying attention.
I pay attention sometimes.
You're totally right, though. Still usually goes before the main verb.
See? I told you.
But... There's always a but.
There is.
So with the verb to be, it goes after.
Wait, what?
So you'd say, I'm still tired, or he's still here, not I still am tired.
I still am tired. Yeah, that sounds weird.
Right? It sounds super formal and awkward.
Okay, so still goes after be verbs, but before other verbs.
Exactly. Like, I still remember that day, or she still talks to her ex.
Uh-oh, laughable.
Right? But then you'd say, I'm still awake, or he's still angry.
Got it. What about yet? Where does that go?
Yet is way easier.
Thank goodness.
It almost always goes at the end of the sentence.
Really? That's it?
Yep. Just stick it at the end and you're good.
Finally, something simple in English.
Okay, let's practice with some real situations. Ooh, I love this part. So, imagine it's raining outside.
It's always raining.
True. Okay, so how would you describe it if the rain hasn't stopped?
It's still raining.
Perfect. The rain continues. It was raining before, it's raining now.
And if I want to know if it's stopped...
You'd ask, has it stopped yet?
Because we're expecting it to stop eventually.
Exactly. You're checking if that expected event has happened.
Oh, this is making so much sense now.
Right? Here's another one. Imagine you're waiting for a friend.
Okay, they're late, as usual.
Totally relatable. So you could say, I'm still waiting.
The waiting continues.
Yes. Or you could say she hasn't arrived yet.
The arrival hasn't happened, but we expect it to.
Yes, you're getting this.
I'm kind of proud of myself right now.
Okay, pop quiz time.
Oh no.
Don't worry, you got this. So, can I say, do you want pizza yet?
Do you want pizza yet? That sounds weird.
It does, right? Why does it sound weird?
Because you're asking if the craving has started?
Yes, exactly. Like you're waiting for them to suddenly become hungry.
So you'd say, do you still want pizza?
Right, because you're asking if the desire is continuing.
Okay, I got one. Are we there yet?
Every kid in every car ever.
Right? But can you say, are we still there?
Ooh, good question. You can, but it means something totally different.
What does it mean?
Are we still there means we already arrived, and you're asking if we're continuing to be in that place.
So, are we there yet is asking if we've arrived.
And are we still there is asking if we've left yet.
Whoa, completely different questions.
Totally different. See how tricky this is?
This is why English is hard.
Okay, here's where it gets fun.
It gets more fun?
Yes. So, you can actually use still and yet together.
Wait, what? Really?
Yes, like, I still haven't finished yet.
Is that allowed? It feels like cheating.
It's not cheating. It's totally natural.
Give me another example.
Okay, so she still hasn't called me yet.
Huh, that does sound natural.
Or we still haven't decided yet.
So when I use both, what am I saying exactly?
You're saying the not finishing is continuing. That's the still part.
That's the still part.
Right, and you expect it to finish eventually.
That's the yet part.
Exactly, they're working together.
Okay, so they're friends, not enemies.
Yes, they're best friends. They hang out all the time.
Wait, doesn't still have other meanings too?
Oh my gosh, yes, good catch.
Like stand still or still water?
Exactly. Still can also mean not moving or completely quiet.
Like the lake was perfectly still.
Yes, no movement, no ripples, totally calm.
Peacefully, I can picture that. It's so serene.
Right? And in photography, there's still life.
Oh yeah, like paintings of fruit and flowers.
Exactly, objects that don't move.
Tautly still life. That's actually kind of beautiful. Life that's frozen in a moment.
Aw, that's poetic.
I'm a poet, and I didn't know it.
Oh no, not the rhymes.
Sorry.
There's also this saying, still waters run deep.
Ooh, what does that mean?
It means quiet people often have really deep thoughts and feelings inside.
Oh, I love that. Like they're calm on the surface, but there's a lot going on underneath.
Exactly. It's a compliment, actually.
That's my friend Sarah. She's super quiet at parties, but when we grab coffee one-on-one, she says the most profound things.
Ah, see? Still waters run deep.
Wait, there's more?
One more. Still can also mean despite that, or nevertheless.
Huh?
Like, it was raining, but we still went for a walk.
Oh, so even though it was raining, we went anyway.
Exactly. Still is like saying but or however.
Give me another one.
The movie got terrible reviews, but I still enjoyed it.
Oh, I do that all the time. Everyone hates a movie, but I'm like, I thought it was fun.
Same. Or like, I was exhausted, but I still finished the project.
Despite being tired, you kept going.
Yes, that's the nevertheless meaning of still.
Impressive. English is wild. One word with like 5 different meanings.
Welcome to English. Okay, yet also has another meaning.
Of course it does.
But this one's more formal. Yet can mean but in writing.
Really?
Yeah, like the plan was simple yet effective.
Oh, that sounds fancy.
It is. You'd see it more in books or formal writing.
Like, she was young yet wise.
Perfect. See, you're getting it.
I'm on fire today.
You really are, and there's yet another.
Oh, I hate that phrase.
Why?
Because it's always like, yet another meeting, or yet another email from my boss.
Yes, that's exactly what it means. One more thing and you're frustrated about it.
Yet another Monday.
That's so relatable. Okay, let's talk about expressions you'll hear every day.
Yes, I love learning phrases.
The most common one with yet is not yet.
Oh yeah, I say that constantly.
Right? Like, did you finish? Not yet. Is dinner ready? Not yet.
That's literally my response to everything. My girlfriend asks, did you do the dishes? Not yet. Did you call your mom? Not yet.
Not yet is the official soundtrack of procrastination.
Oh my gosh, that's so true.
And with still, a super common one is I still can't believe it.
Oh yeah, when something's really surprising.
Exactly, like I still can't believe we won the championship.
Or I still can't believe she said yes when I asked her out.
Aw, that's sweet.
Thanks.
Another one, are you still up? Late night texting phrase.
Yeah, my buddy texts me that at like midnight. You still up?
And you're always like, yeah, unfortunately.
Oh my gosh, scrolling through my phone at 2 a.m. like an idiot.
We've all been there.
What about positive expressions?
Oh, I've got a good one. The best is yet to come.
Oh, I love that one.
Right? It's so hopeful. It means the best part hasn't happened, but it will.
That's beautiful. Like there's always something better ahead.
Exactly. And better yet, this introduces an even better option.
Like you could take the bus, or better yet, I'll drive you.
Perfect. We could order pizza, or better yet, let's make our own.
Ooh, I like that. Better yet is like, here's an upgrade.
Yes, an improved alternative.
I'm going to start using that more.
Okay, practice time. I'm going to give you a situation, you respond.
Okay, I'm ready.
Your friend asks if your Amazon package arrived.
No, it hasn't arrived yet. It's still in transit.
Perfect. Yet for the arrival that hasn't happened, still for the ongoing transit.
Yes, I nailed it.
You did. Okay, next one. It's 10 p.m. and you're working.
I'm still working on this report. I haven't finished yet.
Beautiful. Both words working together.
Okay, give me a hard one.
A hard one? Okay. Your friend asks if you like your new apartment after 3 months.
Yeah, I still love it. Every time I come home, I still get excited.
Ooh, using still twice. I love it.
Thank you.
Okay, listeners, your turn.
Yes, pause the podcast right now.
And think of something you still do every day.
And something you haven't done yet this week.
Say it out loud, even if no one's listening.
It really helps, trust us.
We're serious. Practice makes perfect.
All right, let's do a quick recap.
Yes, brain check time.
First, still for continuation, something that's ongoing and hasn't stopped.
I still live in Chicago. She still works at Google.
Second, yet in negatives, something that hasn't happened but you expect it to.
I haven't eaten yet. He hasn't called yet.
Third, yet in questions. Have you finished yet? Is she here yet?
Always at the end.
Fourth, not yet, the most useful two-word answer ever.
Seriously, you'll use it every day.
Fifth, still as nevertheless. Despite something, you did it anyway.
It was hard, but I still did it.
Fifth, still meaning not moving, physical stillness.
Stand still. The lake was perfectly still.
Seventh, yet another. One more thing with frustration.
Yet another Zoom meeting.
So much frustration in that phrase.
Eighth, the best is yet to come. Hopeful and optimistic.
The good stuff is still ahead.
And finally, better yet, introducing a superior option.
Take the train, or better yet, I'll give you a ride.
Perfect. Okay, so still and yet are officially no longer confusing.
Thank goodness, the fog has lifted.
The fog has still not returned, and I don't think it will come back yet.
Did you just use both in one sentence?
I sure did.
Look at you, showing off.
I couldn't resist.
All right, everyone, here's your homework.
Yes, drop a comment and tell us what's something you still haven't done this year.
A goal, a trip, a project, anything.
And use both still and yet in your answer.
We seriously read all the comments.
We do. We get so excited when we see your sentences.
If you enjoyed this episode, smash that like button.
And subscribe if you haven't already.
We do episodes like this all the time.
And share this with a friend who's learning English.
Help us spread the love.
All right, we'll see you in the next episode.
Keep practicing.
And remember, the best is yet to come.
Nice callback.
Bye, everyone.